Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Cancer, June 21 to July 22, Tuesday, July 3, 2024. Miracle, surprise, which is bound to happen today. Things we don't expect will happen, and things we might expect will not happen. Ngayong araw na ito ay Martes at 3 ng Hulyo 2024. Panahon pa rin ng Cancer, June 21 to July 22. Mga bagay-bagay na hindi mo inaasahan. Kaya ihanda ang kalooban, ihanda ang tamang desisyon sa bawat sitwasyon na magaganap ngayong araw na ito. Pinakamahalaga pa rin ang pagdarasal.